I'm with the gang, bitch. I can't never beef about a bop, man, fuck that lame, bitch. Pull up in my truck, I'm swinging, bitch, you know I lane switch. My niggas got the glizzy, yeah, we all up on the same shit. Just stay up in your lane, jit. This shit here can get dangerous. Hey, man, this shit here can get dangerous. So today, I'm gonna be finishing up Gramps' truck. You see, I put the KSP upper control arm in, and it's painted same color without the flake. Got that one in yesterday while they were here. Going ahead and knocking this side out as well. So just trying to get this shit done and finish this up. The red Ford's coming back, so I'll be stacking a leveling kit on that and putting the antenna on for him. I got a dude coming down from Virginia with a F150. Gonna be putting a lift kit on that and stacking a level as well, and probably putting the wheels on it. I'll be taking that one to get aligned. But yeah, man, it's a busy week this week, and then I'll pretty much finish up those builds. There'll be a bunch of videos on those. We got a meet Saturday, so I'll probably just drag this video along until Saturday and just give you a long ass video and just include the meet in there, and then we'll just start fresh once we get to another build. But yeah, man, we're about to get to it and stop talking. It's hot as fuck outside. All right, so just got Gramps' truck finished with the upper control arms. Gonna be trying to get the wheel lights and rot lights all wired up tomorrow. Definitely gonna be grinding it out this week, and vacation next week is gonna be well needed. I got the camber kind of out of this one. It's not all the way, it's still slanted, but the camber's all the way out on that one. And just getting it ready to get in alignment so that way he can pop out at the meet Saturday. Gonna be moving on to tomorrow. I'm done for today. Out here at the car wash, about to roll out to the meet. I ain't get a lot of footage today. We've been at my crib all day trying to get shit done, but we finally got Gramps shit popped out, looking good. Upper control arms put in, the silver ones, and he got his wheel lights in, so we'll get a sneak peek of that once we ride. But like I said, bro, we out here deep. Hey, we about to go. Yeah. Where the glizzy came at? I got it. We got the whole gang. We about to slide out. John Dummy made the band, no gon' kill. It's Rigo. Hey, baby said she wanna move slow motion. Putting all that wacky in my Sprite, that's the potion. She be saying, Rico, you so freaky when I'm stroking. My 30, it be poking out my shirt, yeah, that bitch poking. Yeah. Slow motion for me, slow motion. Slow motion for me, slow motion. Slow motion, sipping on that watt and that Sprite, that's the potion. Yeah. Talking all this top, he lose his top, now he ain't got no roof. We don't got a ball, but even then, bet all my niggas shoot. I'm moving like a zombie, like my bishop, peanut butter cool. We flying all them birdies, got them bitches jumping out the coop. Rico, yeah, you need to talk your shit again. Then I ask God for forgiveness, then I sin again. And I don't write on this shit, freestyle don't need a pen. And these niggas want some smoke, then we can get it in. Baby said she wanna move slow motion. Putting all that wacky in my Sprite, that's the potion. She be saying, Rico, you so freaky when I'm stroking. My 30, it be poking out my shirt, yeah, that bitch poking. Yeah. Slow motion for me, slow motion. Slow motion for me, slow motion. Slow motion, sipping on that watt and that Sprite, that's the potion. So we out here at the meet. Just got here, got 12 on the dispatch. Boy Ant done got him a new 2020 or 2021. Got Banks. That boy tripping. Sitting at 15. Come on, man. We do this shit. Tell them we do this shit, man. Tallest Abby in the fucking game right now. And still put the blocks in the back. Just to give y'all motherfuckers a chance.
Come on, man. More coming soon, though. You know we don't stop working.
Already. we working on shit as of now.
Right. About to take over the car game, too. Stop playing with us.
You already know.
At the murder.
I'm about to kill shit. That's another Escalade? Hey, Reggie, you see the Escalade? That bitch clean.
You see it on the
Hell yeah, on LTZ. Reggie. Posted up. Gramp shit finally out of the backyard built booth. Got them all right. Gonna get them rock lights right, and then we gonna be straight. Big red.
You already know what time it is. Trippy behind the camera, behind the scenes. Don't look at that part. Trippy with the camera. You already know what time it is.
Alright, so I was gonna leave the video off last night, but I feel like it was gonna be short, so I'm gonna show you kind of what I got going on today. So got this 2016 F150. I'm gonna be putting a lift kit on that, wheels, spacers, and a couple more things. And then I got the red Ford back. I'm about to be putting a 1.5 inch level on the front, and then putting some spacers on and an antenna. I'll have this done today and have it ready to be picked up probably by the end of the day, and then get this out the way. But I'll show y'all this and then probably end this video right here and just let y'all see that, and then I'll have a full video on this week, and then I'll be taking a little brief vacation for a couple days, and then we'll be back at it with 2 more trucks. But we about to get started. All right, so I got this side done and sitting a little taller. This is yeah, maxed out. About to go ahead and knock this out and then put it back down and do another alignment on it, and then we'll be done with this. All I gotta do is lift it back up, put the rear spacers on too, and then put his antenna on, which will probably take me maybe 10-15 minutes. So trying to get this knocked out all quick and try to get the other truck pulled up so I can go ahead and get a jump start on that, because gotta try to get all this shit done by Tuesday. I want to have that truck finished, lift on and everything by Tuesday, and then I'll probably try to take it to get alignment Wednesday and it'll be done. But we're going to keep working hard and just see where we can get on this and then that, and then get back to the money. All right, got it done. 1.5 inch spacer in the front with the Rough Country 6 inch, and everything looking good. Just needs alignment for the camber and stuff, but it's looking pretty straight. You can definitely tell there's a pretty decent difference in the front than in the back. I'm about to put these rear spacers on. I have this whip antenna I'm about to put on, and then we'll be done with this one. Then we'll be moving on to the new body. But just another grinding day, man. Just trying to get a lot of shit done, and try to prepare for the next couple weeks, because we're gonna be busy, man. It's gonna be a lot of videos. Just gonna try to keep pushing content out while I'm knocking all this shit out. But yeah, man, let me do these rear spacers and this antenna, and then I'll kind of show you the finished product when it's done, and then we'll just go from there. Got the whip antenna mounted. It's got a little spring. It's on the toolbox. It's pretty tall up there, but yeah, this is how everything looks. About to go ahead and hit him up and let him know that it's all ready to go, and then gonna jump back on this one. But this one will be for the next video, so stay tuned. Gonna be putting a full lift kit on this one. Got a busy week coming up this week, so
just trying to get a whole lot of shit done and knocked out, so that way we can, you know, chill out and relax this weekend. So about to go ahead and call it a night. I wanted to just get this one in the air and get it ready. So about to clean up and then go in the crib. It's already 8 o'clock, so I ain't trying to be out here too much longer. I've been out here all day. So yeah, man. But like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching. I dropped another music video on my music channel, so the link will be in the description below. But yeah, man, we about to just keep working. So hit y'all up. Appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.